Hello, it's Indira from Indie Arts Creations. Thank you for joining me. I've been playing with this idea for at least a day, and I want to do some rings. And so this is a longer canvas. It is 10 by 20, and I kind of thought I want 3 rings, and I'm going to do black circles. So I'm going to have some circles here, and then we're going to do ring pours. And I have 3 colors, but I think I'm going to layer the colors with some gold and maybe a little black. Let me think about this. The thing I'm thinking about is, should I have put just a little white in? Each cup with just a tad of white. So big cups, but here goes. I didn't have any, I was looking for a cup like in between. I have some 2-ounce cups. I thought I might have had like a 3 or 4 ounce cup. And so I started with white. So I'm going to start with this deep berry garnet color. Red. And like I said, I'm going to layer with some gold. I'm hoping the gold doesn't take away from it. And I might have to, against my better judgment, I think I'm going to have to add black to the colors too. I just don't know about that 2-color layer. I don't do many ring pours. I'm just trying to get the hang of it. Ring, like, there's different ways these rings come out. Some ring pours I feel like come out and they look like a flower. I'm not going for that look. I just want it to be rings. About it. I might put the rings on a slant. I'm not really sure. With these longer canvases, I really like the fact that when you can make a design that you can hang the canvas either way is really a good thing. Fill it. All right, we're going to stop with that one there. Do this blue. I think this color is called Peacock Pearl. About Peacock Pearl. I think the Peacock Pearl, we're going to change it up and we're going to layer it with white and not the black. And then that'll give our canvas a little, I was looking for the word, y'all. Day is going good. Always joining and supporting me. Thank you for all the kind words that you leave. I forgot the white there. Now it's going to throw me off. But I'm back on track. I'm actually using excuse me, I said latex, the Liquitex Basics. I like that gold. I also like the 24 karat gold. that gold is like really, really rich. Like I thought this one was rich until I discovered that one. And there's just so many different shades of gold, so many different the gold layer to start with, because what I'm thinking is that if we have to, it won't be bad if we need more paint and we do a ring on top of it, is my thought. So this is a green. Remember the exact name of this green, but all of the colors will be in the description as they are always. I kind of always try to do that. Let me move this white so I don't put it in by mistake. So we're back to layering with black. And green. Excuse me. I probably shouldn't chew gum when I go on to film. Interesting. I'm a little low on this Liquitex gold. I have plenty of 24 karat gold though. And I have that gold harvest that didn't seem too bad yesterday or whatever day that was that I used it. When I used it, I used it for another project. So busy trying to keep you entertained and talk. I usually try to make sure I remember how many times I do the layers, and I don't remember. Okay, so we have it. We have the cups layered. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 black circles to the canvas. And we're going to see where we go from there. Further down, yikers. To tilt, I'm going to have to tilt down first. I'm going to try to bring this down just a little. Oh, yikers. Okay. In gold with the black, so we're going to go for a ring. So we're going to go very slow and form our ring. Touch of white at the end. Here it comes. Circles, and I was trying to get a little them, and that's why I thought the rings would be nice. This one I went a little faster. I didn't mean to. So this is our color with our, I believe this color is called, what is this color called? Peacock Pearl. We have our Peacock Pearl, and then our barrier Garnet. And I do not see the torch. I found it. It's not on the table though. Slow. Time I think I talked about, even when you're doing a ring, you can still add composition to it by pouring upward, like bringing your cup up, versus when you pour really close. Because we have so much, I think, hold on for one second. I say that because it's going to go over the top over there and we don't have it coming this way. That's why I wanted to stop for a sec. You know, the torch, always temperamental. These are some nice cells forming. I think I'm going to turn down the flame too. I'm going to put a little more black right here so that when I start bringing it down, I'm not going to put it at the top because we don't really need it. We don't really need it right there either. Okay, I'm going to put a little right here. So this will help it move. If I put it there, probably need a little right here. Of course, we're going for circular motion. Also keeping in mind the goal, since I started up too high, is that I really have to kind of bring the pink down also. It out in a circular shape is changing the more that we tilt. I get the ring back, which is sometimes you'll lose some of the ring, but as long as you can like still see the lacing within, that's really nice. I wonder, and then remember I said we might just still also put another ring inside. So we'll see if we do that, how that will look. But that the white and the Peacock pearl would be nice composition wise. I'm not saying it's not, but I almost kind of wish that I would have not done the white. But that's always the way it is, right? I hope that you all can still see. Okay, I'm gonna put this down for a sec. I'm trying to think it out. Do we leave it or do we go for another little ring inside of them? You know, I think that, that all depends. Let's see, we have a little of that. We don't really have much of that. we're going to stop. It's nothing wrong with it. We have some nice lacing. Lesson learned. Probably always follow your first line in terms of I switched up and put whites in, and I probably should have just stayed all black with the cup layering. There's nothing wrong with it. Yeah. I'm not sure if you can tell that these are metallics, and I don't think I mentioned it. But yeah, I do think that what I was saying in terms of being able to hang this either way, I think you can still hang it either way. I'm going to touch up the sides and bring you in for a close-up. For the close-up, starting in the left corner, top corner, moving to the right. So we have some nice lacing throughout. As I was thinking about it, you know, I started out when we tried to do rings, we lost the rings. We got some really nice lacing though, so that's nice. But what I was thinking about is I probably should not have did this circle so big when we started out. Maybe that would have preserved the ring shape, but I still like it. I was going for something where I wanted 3 different colors on the canvas, color combinations I should say. So I got that, and I see how to achieve that now. Again, I probably would have left that peacock pearl, or I probably should have, I should say, should have left that peacock pearl with just black and gold the way I did the other 2 colors. But, you know, the only way you're going to know if something works or not, or how something looks, is to try it out. I'm going to bring you out so that you can see the whole thing. Give this until probably maybe like around the end of the week to go on Instagram. So I'll say it will be on Instagram by Saturday. I need to let it dry. And thank you for supporting me. Please like, share, and if you haven't subscribed, for those who have, I appreciate it. And until we meet again, cheers to painting.